This horse has had a left fore lameness for a couple of weeks, and the vet wanted a 6-degree elevation in the shoe package. As the horse has been landing toe down, we decided on a full roller package with 3-degree wedge. This shoe package allowed us to achieve the 6 degrees of elevation and work with the toe down landing. In the video you can see the left fore landing toe down most often, with the roller shoe accommodating this well without rolling back towards the heels. If we used a flat shoe with a wedge, the toe down landing would be followed by the foot rotating back onto the heel, thereby placing more load on the deep digital flexor tendon. Whilst I'm not a huge fan of these shoes for horses doing faster work or performance, for me, they are a great tool for some pathologies and laminitic cases. As this horse will be yarded for the next 12 weeks, I feel this shoe package would be a good option for this period of time at least.